Hey guys, it's Dave and Dave, Ghetto Van Adventures. My buddy Dave has brought down his, what year is this?
2011.
2011 Focus, and there's the engine. And
Engine goes brum brum.
that's 2 liter, and we're going to be doing an oil change on it today. And he was kind enough to let me video this as I'm doing it. So without further ado, I'm going to climb underneath and show you where everything is. Okay, now this is nice and easy. We're looking at it from the front, back, down, and right at the front of the engine is the oil filter. And see, that's a good location. So I got my drain pan plug, or container, and if anybody heard that pop, that was my knuckles. And it'll spill oil. There. So we'll let that drain out for a sec. Okay, and for any people that know me, know that I pre-fill my filters. So I'll add a little bit more to it as I go. But that's what I do. And always take a little bit of motor oil and just lube that gasket. Okay, make sure there's a coating of oil on there. Sorry if the video is a little off. I'm working and videoing, so it can be a little tricky. And all the oil is drained out now. You see there's no gasket on the flange. And there's the oil filter, and the gasket's on the oil filter. Now I'm going to screw the new one on. Okay, I got the oil filter full. Gasket is lubed, and there, it's on quarter to half a turn past snug. And now there's where the drain pan plug is, right there, and that's gonna come out. Okay, I pre-loosened it, and I'll tell you, that thing was tight. So, like I say guys, it's a little difficult when you're filming and doing it. So you take out the drain pan plug, and I got the drain pan set up underneath, and there she goes. Right. So we'll let that drain down for a while, and we will come back. Okay, I set this up so you can see me doing it. You put the oil drain pan plug back in. Okay, just put it out of the way for a second, and grab your 13 mil socket. Put it on and tighten it up, and like I say, tight but don't strip it. And there you go. So that's on. I'll give that a wipe down, and then we can move up top and pull your drain pan plug out. But that's it. You got your oil filter tightened and your drain pan plug tightened. So pull your jack stand out, lower the car down, get your oil catch thing out, and start filling it up with oil. And now we're just topping up the oil. So use an old oil container, cut off, cleaned out, and adding some oil. Dave's putting Mobil 1 in it this time. So we'll add some, check the oil, and keep topping it up, and then give it a start, let it idle for a couple minutes, and check it again. Okay, let's put this in and check it. And can you get into that? Can you see that? It's in that knurling between those two lines there. It's about halfway. So we have to add a little bit more oil. So just so you know, Dave did start this up, so it had a chance to circulate through the filter, make sure it's all full and everything's set. So we just add a little bit more oil, and ta-da! Can you see that, guys? It's right at the full mark, which is perfect. And that is an oil change. It's pretty simple, so just pull this out, put your cap back on. Now, again, you can start this up, look underneath it and see if it's actually leaking any oil, like everything's solid, you know what I mean. You don't want any leaks in there. There you go. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out the website, www.ghettovanadventures.com, and thanks to Dave for bringing this car down so we can show you how to do an oil change on a 2000, what is this, 11? 11 Ford Focus. Take care, guys. Be safe on the road.
Bye-bye.